Grit, Blood and Glory. The unsung saga of Jangi 6, the 6th Battalion of the Kumaon Regiment. This encapsulates the weight these men of Jangi 6 carried through the crucibles of wars, counterinsurgency and fight against terrorism. The deep lines etched on their faces are the cartography of daring courage, a testimony of their unflinching resolve and dedication as sentinels who are prepared to shed blood and hold ground so sacred to them. Their battle-scarred bodies sing a different tune. Their swagger, a resounding reminder of their combat worthiness. The book is a pulsating chronicle of 6 Kumaon's unyielding quest to be the poster boys as they meandered through the labyrinthine twists on their path to glory. And this beyond the call of duty. However, to their regret, they left behind orphans, just as history has often the heroic acts of sheer daredevilry as they face death, stark naked. Focal to the book is the Battle of Wolong, Sino-Indian conflict of 1962. To place the heroic battle in perspective, I quote Lieutenant General N.C. Rollier, PVSM, AVSM, Military Cross, the then brigade commander of 11th Infantry Brigade. I quote, 6 Kumaon at Tri Junction fought and fought and fought till there was an eerie silence. This what aptly sums up the heroic deeds by the battalion. From McMahon Ridge to Archie Hill, oblique Namti Nala, the screen position, to the Green Pimple, the Yellow Pimple, the Tri-Junction and the West Ridge. The mystic hills of Wolong still reverberate with unflinching crescendo about the heroics of the battalion. Through the counterinsurgency grid, we waltz through like a scalpel cutting through fog and highlighting them, a guma spread for the bazaars. We emerged best in the division and the command we served in, the latter fetching us with the Eastern Army Commander's Unit citation. The Amarnath trek and Siachen was forbiddingly challenging. The Jangi 6 cantered through it with alacrity. The carry home was the governor's letter of appreciation. The joint exercise at Joint Base Lewis McChord, Washington, with the U.S. Army was the cherry on our cake. We acquitted ourselves with battle worthiness, now synonymous to the battalion. At every place we served, our pride was the neighbor's envy. We triumphed from Landikotal, the Burma campaign forming part of the fabled Lushai Brigade, the Operation Polo and Balu. We tread over grounds that swallowed the weak and the sky that wept tears of blood. Jangi 6 now rides into a brave new world where the clash of civilizations play its role.